So now we know how to transpose a melody using scale degrees. But what if we encounter a melody that has a chromatic note, that has a note that is outside of the 7 scale degrees? Well, we actually do have a sense of how to deal with that. And to show you, I'd like to go back to the bridge, to the middle section of Over the Rainbow. And the bridge of Over the Rainbow starts with this melody. And then the melody continues as I've written here, starting with that G on the top line, G, E, G, E, G, E, G, E. Then we have our first note from outside of the key, our first chromatic note, this F sharp. So there's an example of a note that is outside of the key. And we talked a little bit about how to deal with this. We said that we know that the 4th scale degree of C is F. So if the 4th scale degree of C is F, then F sharp is 1/2 step above that. We've raised the 4th scale degree from F to F sharp. So remember, we called this not the 4, but the sharp 4 scale degree, or the raised 4th scale degree. And then we know that A is the 6th scale degree. Then we go back to the sharp 4, and the 6, and the sharp 4, and the 6, and the sharp 4, and the 6. And we go into the 7, 7, and then the next measure 2, and 6. Okay, great. So now we want to transpose this little chunk of the melody, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, 7. We know how to do the 5, 3, the scale degree 5 and scale degree 3. We know that scale degree 5 in E flat, which I've written down here, is B flat, and scale degree 3 is G. So I'm just gonna write out that little passage there. So B flat, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat. Okay, that's easy enough. Here we go. Okay, now we get to the sharp 4 scale degree. To the 6th scale degree. Okay, so how do we figure out what is the sharp 4? Well, we know that the 4th scale degree of E is A flat. Okay. So if the 4th scale degree of E is A flat, what is the raised 4th scale degree? What is the sharp 4 scale degree? And we know that we just can't assume that we're going to put a sharp in front of the A, because that may give us the wrong answer. So let's just think about this. A flat is the 4th scale degree. The sharp 4, the raised 4th, is 1/2 step above that. So what is 1/2 step above A flat? It is A natural. So the raised 4 scale degree is actually A natural. So in this measure, we're going to go sharp 4, which is A natural. And again, I have to put that A natural in because my key signature is telling me that all my flats, all my A's are going to be flat unless we specify otherwise. So that A is actually going to be an A natural. And then my 6th scale degree is C. So I'm not going to write out all the scale degrees because we know I'm going to go sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6. We get that idea. I'm just going to beam these together. And remember, my A natural is going to continue on through the measure till I get to the bar line. So sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6, sharp 4, 6. And then scale degree 7, which in the key of E is D. And then we know how to continue on from there. It's easy enough from there. So let's listen to the original. I'll play those 2 bars of the original in C. Okay, now here is our transposition in E flat. Let's see if our ear tells us if we've done it correctly. And yes, we have. So it takes a little bit of thinking to work with chromatic notes and scale degrees, but once you get the hang of it, it's going to be pretty easy, and it's still a very intuitive way to think about, and a very musical way to think about transposing a melody. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at how to deal with chords.